turn that one off as well. So I can be in a cave. I'm in a cave. No, I don't want to be in a cave. Skibidi-doo-da-ba-da. We are making some French cleats. Today we are going to extend our French cleats just a little. So I hope you enjoy watching, and I'll jump in when I need to steer you back on course. Where are we standing? Welcome back. How we doing? We're good? We're good? Yeah, we're good. Okay. Feels like I should have done something else. G'day, Sebastian here. Welcome back. We are doing some modifications to the vise today because I hurt myself. I cut myself and I don't want to cut myself again. So I'm basically going to take the, what are these called? Feet? No. Bars, grippers, something, feet. We are going to get rid of this sharp edge. I've actually already filed it, but it's still sharp. I mean, if I ran my finger along it, I'd probably cut it. And while I was doing filing it, I cut myself. So I don't want to have to do that ever again. So we're going to actually use, we're not going to use a file, we're going to use the sander. Also, this is hardened Rockwell. I don't know what the Rockwell number would be. That's just how hard something is. And generally, the sharper you cut your skin, the longer it takes to heal. Maybe. I'm not a medical person, but that's what I've noticed when I've cut myself. Let's start grinding this away. I don't have an angle grinder. I've avoided buying an angle grinder for so long. Is now the time to buy one? Probably not. Probably not. Always wear your safety glasses. Okay, all of that is now not sharp. Perfect. Still got to grease this up, but at least I'm not going to cut myself on this thing again. Whoa, okay, so we finished sanding, making beautiful, lovely, whatever it is with the, it's a vise. The vise won't cut. If you touched it, it doesn't cut me if I touch it. Now we're on to picking up where we left off last episode, where we're trying to squash these hinges. Perfect. So these are a bit of a tight fit in the door, but that's okay. But yeah, pop them in the vise, make them a little thinner. Come down a bit, I think. Comparison between the two. Well, we've got this one, which you can see is quite flat. There's a small gap there, but it's very slight. This one, however, has got a big gap, but that probably won't matter. These are going to work at the very least. I've got to bend them in the next direction. I'm just going to go and wash my hands. And my hands are now clean. What we're going to watch now is, well, the mic went all funny, and so I made a little montage. Thank you, montage. Basically what happened there was I was just trying to work out where everything's got to go. And I kind of have, so we're going to jump back into me trying to work out where everything's got to go for the French cleats. Okay, well this is one part of the shed that I haven't really spent much time in. I'm going to basically put a system of French cleats here and here, and then move that way. And I need shelves, quite a lot of shelves. We need to work out at what point are the cleats on this side, and then transfer them to over here. I need space for 2 monitors. I kind of like where my current monitor is. Don't want to bring it too far down. So the main reason why I'm trying to work this out is because at some point there's going to be a big table in here. It means that I can't have cupboards and desks. It's all got to be up on the wall. Maybe that's something that I work out first. Getting close, getting very, very close. Look how cool that is. It's its own level. This is a real basic monitor arm. It's even got a series of screws that are all labelled. This is a 15 centimetre, 150 mil. It doesn't quite fit. Now I could use 2 and do something like that. We will continue clearing the space. I just want to throw away some of this stuff. A bag with something, with something in it. This is actually the little thing that you use to test the pressure. I nearly threw it out. Do not throw out. Rather than try some crazy way of doing it, we're going to use some technology to help us. Now, I haven't actually charged this. I'm a bit worried that it's going to run out of juice. Okay, so here we are. That is where the top of this is. So you can see the profile here. You can probably see the laser on it. It's basically there. Hopefully you can see that. So what do I got to do? Just put that in there. We're looking at here. We're looking at here. We'll move this out of the way. In this part, I'm trying to mark out where the French cleats have got to go using the laser level. And there were a few places where I kind of had to work around. So there are essentially 3 levels. 3? 1, 2, 3. Let me count them. There are 3 levels of French cleats. Obviously there's the top one, and we go to the bottom one, and then there's the one in the middle. Now, I think the audio's coming back, so hope you enjoy. Welcome to part 4 of the French cleats. French cleats again today. We need to put this up. This was an old set of, I'd like to say shelves, but they're actually a little bit more than shelves. This was one big long shelf. I could cut holes and put studs in here, but I can't be bothered. It is actually just far simpler to put this up, screw this in, and attach it into a variety of different places. First we'll find the jigsaw, which is actually down here. Jigsaw. Okay, that's that. Breathing, always be safe. And tight. No matter how uncomfortable I might feel in some of this get up, I always feel good because I know that I'm protecting myself. And there have been times when I have not taken care of myself and I've injured myself. I don't wear the isotunes. I found the isotunes a bit lacking in the noise reduction, whereas these are a lot more better. But I wish even these would do more. I mean, I like total silence when I'm in the zone. So I've done 4 holes here, and it just means that I can put the blade in, cut that way, put the blade in, cut that way, put the blade in, cut that way, cut that way. I don't have to turn it around. Okay, so this is how good I was at it. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm just going to fine tune what's already there, and then that will hopefully work. It's close. It's very close, but nowhere near as close enough. Still a little off. Well, that one was worse than the first. So that goes the whole way through. Not the prettiest work. Well, there we go. This is now in, and now I can screw to this. I can put my old little thing up. Where exactly I'm going to put it, I'm going to put one here and one there. I thought this part might be better if I just kind of explain what I'm doing as you watch. Essentially, I'm just lining up these brackets to put on the wall, trying to get it level, because that's kind of the important part. That means your monitor is not skewed. Pretty simple unit here. That goes against the wall there, vertically. And then this, of course, it does actually have a direction, a little angle here. Not all of them are like this. In fact, most of them have a variety of different ways of attaching it, but it's just so that you get the angle right, because you want to tilt it down. You don't necessarily want to tilt it up. So tilting it down so you can look at it. So here I'm putting the monitor arm together for the second one. you essentially attach the back plate to the back of your monitor, and then you put the monitor arm up on the wall and then join the two together. Well, there you go. There you go. It's about the same height as it was, which is pretty good. So thank you very much for joining me on this part of the French cleat system. This wasn't any Frenchness in here. It was all monitor arms, but I'm glad I got both of them in, and now I can play around with the positions. Please like and subscribe. I don't know if it helps, but I personally like seeing those numbers get bigger and bigger. Who doesn't? We will see you next time. Thank you very much, and goodbye. And it's goodbye from me. Please join us next week when this happens. Yeah, I wasn't a fan. Anyway, catch you later.